If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. With Access, you have the flexibility to rename fields you already created. You should be extremely careful when doing this, as any changes you make to field names are not necessarily updated in all the previously created and related reports, forms, or queries, which may still refer to the old field names. So if you rename a field that was previously referenced by any other database objects, you should double check those objects and change the name of the field referenced there too if necessary. Doing that ensures all the related database objects that were looking for the old field name will now look for the new field name to access its data. To rename a table field in Access, open the table within which to rename a field in the Tables design view. Then click into the Field Name column of the field whose name you wish to change. Then type a new name for the field. Then click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar to save the table's structural changes. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.